Hi guys! Say Merry Christmas! Or 2 months! Yay! Almost 3 now. Yeah, let's get you out of the sun. Does that feel better? Does that feel better? Hi! Tickle tickle. Oh, got your eyeball. Oh, there's smiles. Are you smiling? Oh, you gonna talk? Oh, goo. No? Look at my spiked hair. That's what happens when I get out of the bath, huh? Are you squeaky clean? Are you all squeaky clean? Oh, yeah? Let's go down here. Oh, dude, it's my keys. Oh, thanks, but... Oh, and then we haven't seen this yet. Look at this. Look. Peekaboo! There's your Audi. Look at how tall that thing stands up. That thing sticks out. Supposedly it's supposed to correct itself and go back in. Okay, so it'll look like that. So for now it's out. Hopefully, huh? And there he is. Say love you. Love you. Miss you a lot. Oh, there's Smiles. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.